Imagine a world where a single cold poison entire cities, leaving them uninhabitable for generations. This is the terrifying reality can be faced with nuclear. According to Union of Concerned Scientists, there's a lot of bad impact that we can face if we agree in building nuclear power plant, like facing undersolved waste management issues, dangerous risks, and deadly threat. There are some impact in our environment. We should think twice before agree to some things that we didn't know the effect in all living organisms. Financial constraints. Insufficient funding for waste management programs is another significant issue. Many communities, particularly those in developing countries, lack the necessary funding to engage in waste management infrastructure or programs. This may result in insufficient waste management services. For example, insufficient funding may prevent communities from accessing appropriate collection and disposal services, resulting in litter and unlawful dumping. Additionally, a lack of financing may lead to improper treatment of hazardous waste, which poses major threats to the environment and the health of humans. Proper waste management is essential for the health. It is important for individuals and businesses to take responsibility for their waste and make efforts to reduce, reuse, and recycle as much possible. Dangerous risk is the possibility of something bad happening. Risk involves uncertainty about the effects, implications of an activity with respect to something that humans value, often focusing on negative, undesirable consequences. Many different definitions have been proposed. A danger is potential source of harm, the environment or property. The likelihood of a danger occurring is the associated risk. Exposure to toxic chemical substances. At a workplace, risk associated with the use of industrial equipment without proper training and indicate storage of flammable materials are example of potential danger. The Lord will protect you from every danger. He will always be faithful to us, protecting us along the way. God's protection is His loving care and guidance that keeps safe from harm. It's like shield that surrounds us. A death threat is a threat often made anonymously by one person or a group of people to kill another person. These threats are often designed to intimidate victims in order to manipulate their behavior, in which case a death threat could be a form of coercion. For example, a death threat could be used to dissuade a public figure from pursuing a criminal investigation or an advocacy campaign. An active, deadly threat is when an individual is actively killing or attempting to kill people. Generally, is confined and or populated area in most cases with a firearm. It can also refer to situation where someone is in immediate danger or presents an imminent threat to others. Whether the threat of violence the result of living in a dangerous neighborhood or being involved in an abusive relationship. Common reactions include fear, depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Solid waste management is an essential practice for protecting human health and the environment. The impacts of improper waste disposal are far-reaching and can have long-lasting effects on the health. It is concluded that dealing with hazard risks and disasters in society requires an understanding of cognition and behavior, and would require a cultural shift for much of humankind. In the Philippines, death threats are serious crimes that can result in legal consequence, including fines and imprisonment. The legal system in the Philippines is designed to protect the rights of victims and the due process rights of the accused.